Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing question number 4 till question number 9 of 5070 paper 1 variant 2 May June 2023. So let's begin. For question number 4 is element X and element Y react together to form a compound. The electronic configuration of X and Y Rx is 283 and Y is 26, which row shows the electron transfer that takes place in the type of compound formed. Okay, so here we can see that X has 3 electrons in its valence shell and Y has 6 electrons in its valence shell. 3 electrons means it is in group 3, which means it's a metal and it will lose electrons. So according to that, if we see option C and D, for element X, it is written that 2 atoms each receive 3 electrons, which would be incorrect. So C and D will be cancelled out. And then we have A and B, which have same description for element X and element Y. And we have to choose from covalent or ionic for the type of compound. So as we can see that 3 outer shell electrons means group 3, which means it is a metal, and 6 outer shell electrons means group 6, which is a non-metal. And we know that a metal and a non-metal react to form an ionic compound, so B would be the right answer. Right. Let's move towards the next question. Question number 5. Which molecule has the largest number of electrons involved in covalent bonds? Okay. So for that, we can draw the dot and cross diagram. So draw it as also double bond between carbon and single bond between 4H and like 4 hydrogens. For CO2, it would be double bond, 2 double bonds with O. And each double bond will have 2 electrons, right? Okay. For CH3OH, it would be C, H. O and H. And for N2, it would be so now I will count the number of electrons. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 electrons here. And for CO2, it would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 8 electrons here, right? For CH3, it will be 2, 2, 6, 8, and 10. So it would be 10 electrons. And for N2, there are 2, 2, 2, it is 3 into 2 equals to 6 electrons. So 6 electrons. That means that 12 electrons is the largest number of electrons, therefore C2H4 will be the right answer. So, sorry, C2H4. Alright. The next question is, X is the arrangement of bonds around a carbon atom in graphite. Y is the arrangement of bonds around a carbon atom in diamond. Z is the arrangement of bonds around a silicon atom in silicon peroxide. So let me just give you a rough idea that the graphite has an hexagonal kind of structure and it is layers, it is a layered structure. like this. It will be like this. That was for graphite. And for diamond is like this. Like it's kind of a tetrahedral kind of structure, and same or we could say similar structure silicon dioxide was. So that means they were asking us which arrangements of bonds are the same. So Y and Z have the same bonds. Okay. The question number 7, what is the equation for the reaction between sodium carbonate and dilute nitric acid? So you know that the oxidation number of carbonate is 2 minus and the oxidation number of sodium ion is plus 1. So the formula for sodium carbonate should be Na2CO3, because we know if it's like Na plus 1 and CO2 minus 3. So the oxidation states would be exchanged and would be written below. So it should be Na2CO3. Okay. So Na2CO3 corresponds with these two C and D, and A and B would be incorrect. A and B would be incorrect because of NaCO3. Okay. And now we'll HNO3, we know that H has an oxidation state of positive 1 and nitrate has an oxidation state of minus 1. So when these charges would be exchanged like this, so it would become HNO3, which means this formula is right. So D would be the right answer. Okay. All right. So which statement about relative atomic mass and relative molecular masses are correct? The mass of the different isotopes does not affect relative atomic mass. This statement is truly incorrect. This is like can't be true. So it's incorrect for sure. And for 2, you may have a doubt, but it is also correct, looking a study. But if, for example, if you are unable to, if you are unable to decide whether it's correct or incorrect, let me tell you one way. If we see that if you know that one is incorrect, so what we can do, we can just cancel out the options which have one. So A would be cancelled out, B would be cancelled out, and D would be cancelled out. So the remaining option is C, which means C would be our correct answer, and 2 and 3 would be obviously 2 and 3 are correct. So yeah. All right. With hydrogen peroxide H2O2 decomposes slowly at 25 degrees Celsius. Okay. The decomposition reaction takes place faster when a catalyst is added. As students adds a small amount of catalyst to 10 centimeter cube of 1 mole per dm cube H2O2 and collects the gas formed. The volume of gas collected is 90 centimeter cube. All measurements are at room temperature and pressure. What is the percentage yield of O2 gas? All right. So first we'll find the moles for H2O2. That would be 1. You know that 1 dm cube equals to 1000 cm cube. And 10 centimeter cube, so X. Okay. So 10 into 1 divided by 1000, 8 divided by, gives me 0.01 mole of H2O2. Now using the equation, we can use the mole ratio for H2O2 and O2, which is H2O2, O2, 2:1, is 0.01. This is X, so 0.01 divided by 2. That would give me 5 raised to 10 power minus 3 moles of oxygen. 5 × 10⁻³ mole of oxygen. Okay. Now using the ratio of 1:24 dm cube, but here we are given 90 centimeter cube. So to make it simpler, what we can do, I know that 1 dm cube equals to 1000 cm cube. So 24 dm cube would be equals to 24,000 cm cube. Okay, 24,000 cm cube. Yeah. And more is equals to 5:10⁻³ That would give me 224%. 120. 120 cm cube. X equals to 120 cm cube. So now I have to find the percentage rule. This is in the question I've been given the practical yield and I have calculated the theoretical yield. Okay, so to find the percentage yield, the formula is I'll just write the initials. So T stands for theoretical yield. T stands for practical yield over T, which stands for theoretical yield, into 100 equals to percentage yield. Okay, and now I'll directly input the values, which are 90 divided by 120 into 100, and I'll get 75% as my answer. So yeah, T is my answer. I hope these questions were clear to you, and if you still have any query, you can let me know in the comments and I'll try to resolve them. And do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. And till then, have a good time.